Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be creating EID boxes in just rupees 30. So let's get started. First you need any old bangle box and some chocolates of your choice. To cover the box, here I'll be using A5 size pastel sheet. Further, we'll be just sticking the sheet on the box, pressing it very nicely from all the four corners, and here you go. You don't need to put any efforts for the box. We'll cover the another part with the same process. Here I'm using a plain sheet for the lower part and a pastel floral sheet for the upper part. Fill in the trash paper inside the box and assemble your favorite chocolates. These chocolates in all costed me around rupees 25 to 27 rupees. If you want, keep your currencies in the center. Take a baby pink net cloth and tie a knot on one side of the box and paste Eid Mubarak tag in the center with the help of a sellotape or a glue. So here our EID box in just rupees 30 is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video so patiently. Have a nice day and do not forget to share your views in the comment section. Thank you so much.